we got this ride. Who knows? Damn, ano? It's like 8.
Today, samahan nyo kami ni Kit because we're exploring one of the places you shouldn't miss when you're in Vigan, Double Warty Zoo. I've heard so many things about this place and today, finally, makikita na natin kung ano talaga ang meron dito. And the best part, hindi lang tayo maglalakad around the whole place because we're also going to ride their service para sa madali natin ma-explore yung different destination inside.
Oh, I look at them. Hi guys! Hello! Hi! Hi! You're so big! Bakit sila nagsusunod-sunudan? Hi!
Ang first impression ko pala, ang laki pala ng place. There already so much to see even before we get inside.
Kung ayaw, itapon ko na to. Yeah, we got this ride.
So we're finally inside Baluarte and honestly, ang daming makikita. Hindi lang siya about animals, there are different areas and attraction around the property. Kaya medyo mahirap siyang ikutin kung lalakarin lang natin lahat. Instead of walking around the entire place, we're going to ride this and explore the different destinations. Habang umiikot kami, ang dami namin nakikita. May iba't ibang animals, different areas, and ang laki talaga ng space. Honestly, ang saya kasi you get to see these animals up close and it's something different from usual vegan sightseeing.
Who knows? I don't know, it looks real. Look at it. Life size. It look like he just AI now. Damn, ano? It's like 8.
What do you say?
What's that, baby? What's that?
May sana mo. Who loves Lacoste?
Mga buhayaw. Sino kaya to? Lapas-pasa man eh.
Game, patiently waiting. Look at that.
Ito ay stagnan.
Say about this.
Malapit kasi.
This one,
Lang nga ni Dag Dinner.
I like crocodile.
I think lalangoy siya dun.
Habang naglalakad kami, ang daming interesting na makikita. Every corner, parang picture perfect. Of course, hindi pwedeng walang picture. May mga souvenir shops din dito, kaya kung gusto mong may uwi from vegan, maraming choices. Actually, ang hirap maglakad dito na walang nabibili. Pero honestly, ang saya rin pala pag mag-explore ng ganitong place with someone. If you enjoyed watching this vlog, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod nating gala and adventures. Thank you so much for watching, guys! Bye!